Namaste. Today I am going to show you how to make Parippu vada, chana dal vada. This is an evening snack and little crispy and very tasty dish. It is very easy. The main ingredient is this chana dal or kadala parippu. So first soak this chana in water for maximum 2 hours. Don't soak more than 2 hours because we want little crispy. That is why maximum don't no overnight soaking. So now this is the soak dal. Remove the water this way. No water required for this vada. See, this is a soaked dal. Other than that, 2 big onion, 2 dried red chilli, around 2 green chilli, asafoetida, hing, curry leaves, salt to taste, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, and oil for frying the vada. Now let us see how we are making. First, grind the chana dal along with this and the curry leaves. There is no need of any water for grinding. See, I am removing the full water. Even this much water also no need of. Quarter teaspoon hing. Add the asafoetida. Around half teaspoon turmeric powder and salt to taste. Now grind the chana dal. Outside from my kitchen window, the rainy season like weather, so it is very that nostalgia. No, you have to make some parippu vada and hot tea or coffee and sit in the balcony and you eat. Wow! See, already I grind it coarsely. See, this is the texture, half grinded, coarsely. So, when you make vada, no, it looks nice also. Now, add the onion. See, I am very comfortable with my hand, no, yeah, mostly my cooking with my hand. But if you don't like to do with the hand, you can do with the spoon also. See. Perfect, this spicy and this salty also. Let me wash my hands. Salt and chili according to your taste. And this hing, asafoetida you are adding. It is very good for digestion and for gas. Otherwise, no, this is a chana dal, so some are getting gas problem. And if you eat more, and if you have some gas problem, this ajwain, it is the best option. You can put some ajwain and drink some water. No gas problem arise. This is my tip. Okay, now let us make how to make the vada. Come on. Now I am showing how to make the vada. First, make this lemon size this batter and just press with your hand. Just press. If you want a little more flat, according to that you press. So see, this way you can make. This is the correct consistency because if more water also not good, and if the this one is not soaked also no very difficult. So the 1.5 hour you need to soak. Don't soak more time. See, like this way you press. If you want big vada, you can take around this much bowl. Now pour oil in the kadai. And when it become very hot, the oil hot, you can put this. Oil is hot, you can add around 2. I am putting around 6 at one time. This is the correct color, not blackish also, not white itself. little brownish and very crispy. See the texture, see the chana dal. You can make around 20 vada with this 1 glass combination with chai. See, now I kept my chai also, ginger tea. Okay, so one time you can put around 3 to 6 vada. So in that way you can make 20-25 vadas. If it is big, around 15 vada, otherwise 20 to 25 vadas. That according to your imagination. कोई भी इसमें हम लोग का घर पे आने का बिल्कुल उसको मत सोचो, हमारा घर पे तुमको अंदर लेगा ही नहीं, ऐसा बोलते तो किरण उसका मैं और मेरी बहू दोनों काम करेगा ना, बहुत चुगली होते हैं हमारा। इसके लिए आज मुझे इतना तक ऐसा नहीं लगा कुछ काम करते करते, नहीं तो वो मुझे ना कभी कभी इतना लेसी में शाम को किचन में आना बहुत। My house we use jaggery powder for making tea. We are not at all using sugar. So now we are used to with this jaggery powder. Little expensive but it is health wise it is good. हमारा चाय और हमारा वड़ा ready. How is my vada?
Very good. Hot, spicy, tasty, crisp.
My vada and my tea. Now I am sitting in my balcony and enjoying my snacks. Very nice climate and this vada is suitable in this climate. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.